Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are safe and doing well. So today we are going to install a new seat on this BMW S1000 Single R. I have this seat with me. So this is a different seat. This is called the BMW Comfort seat. It is available on the BMW dealership, so you can buy it from there. I got it with the bike. So now the question is why I want to change the seat. So my friends, last trip that I did to Udaipur was a long one, and during the ride, for continuously riding for about 5 6 hours, I felt that my backside was a bit numb. So I had to stand up on my pegs to get the blood flow going. So I thought probably I had the seat lying with me. So I thought, why not try this seat? Yeah. So this is the seat. You can look at it from the lower part. It is the same. So it is a BMW accessory. Like I said, you can buy it from the BMW dealership. From the lower part it is same, but the difference is here on the upper part. No, this has more cushioning, more foam, definitely more than that. And also on the stock seat there are angles on the inseam and here on the back, and on this seat there are no angles. It is completely curved, so there are no angles. Definitely it has more foam, and with this I think so the seat height would increase, I think so, maybe 5 6 millimeters, no, but that should not be a problem because this is not a very tall bike, so it should be all right and I should be comfortable on it. So let's see, friends. I think so the manufacturer really puts efforts on the seat as well, no. So the stock seat, similarly this one also, no, there are few considerations by the manufacturer, no, because it is also an important part of the bike. uh, the cushioning and the material has to be really good, because it has to prevent the rider from slipping in case of hard acceleration, braking, or when you are suddenly changing directions, maybe on a chicane. The rider should not slip from the seat. So it is very important part of the bike, definitely. And the cushioning and the upper cover and the upper material is also important. I think so the material is same on both the seats. So let me remove the stock seat, and then I'll show you both the seats side by side to make a comparison. No, I am going to use my toolkit. It is not very difficult, I think so. There are only two screws. Torx 20 T20 bit is required. So I am going to remove the stock seat, and then I'll show you both these seats side by side, and then we will be able to make a good comparison, no. Also I think so, to indicate that this is a comfort seat, the color is different on this compared to the stock seat. So look at this seat first. So I'm sure you should be able to see, definitely height is more, so there is more cushioning, curves, there are no angles. And from the lower part it is the same, because it fits in the same place. Yeah, I think so this seat would fit all the single R's and the double R's till maybe 2019, no, till the new generation of the bikes came. With the new generations of BMW S1000 single R and the R, I think so there is only one screw. In this we have two screws, there is only one screw, I think so. uh, Hence this will not fit the newer generation single R's and the double R's. Yeah. So let's go. Let's remove the stock seat, and then we will compare. Okay, so the seat is removed. Now we have the stock seat. So this is the stock seat and the other one is the BMW Comfort seat. You can see the dimensions are almost the same except the height. So it has got, the stock seat has got angles, whereas there are no angles on the comfort seat. Also comfort seat from the inseam area, no, it is a bit higher than this one. So you can see the difference. Now let's see, let's install the comfort seat and see how it feels. Okay, so the comfort seat is on. I am feeling comfortable definitely because there is more cushion on it. So I am going to ride it for, let's say, about 500 600 kilometers and then see how my backside responds to this comfort seat. No? So friends, this is it in this video. If you liked it, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, please take care of yourself and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.